हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम है आपका आज की वीडियो में। आज की वीडियो में हम लिखना सीखेंगे टेबल्स 1 to 10, टेबल्स इन इंग्लिश फ्रॉम 1 to 10. So without wasting our time, let's start writing. Counting. First, we are going to write the table of 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5, 1 6 are 6, 1 sevens are 7, 1 eights are 8, 1 nines are 9, and 1 tens are 1. 1 10 is 1. इतना लिखने के बाद बढ़ते हैं टेबल ऑफ 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. 2 tens are kids 20. Now table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are kids 30. 3 tens are 30. Now table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are kids 40. 4 tens are 40. Now table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are kids 50. 5 tens are 50. Now table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are kids 60. Now table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are kids 70. 7 tens are 70. Table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. 8 tens are 80. Now table of 9. Now we have to do the table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 40, 5 9 6 are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, and 9 tens are kids. 9 10 is 90. Did you get this? Next, last 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, and 10 4 is 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 6 are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, and 10 tens are kids 100. We have successfully completed counting from 1 to 100. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's informative and educational for you. Bye kids.